You invest in the latest AI tools, buy subscriptions, spend countless nights learning every feature, hoping you're just one breakthrough away from real profit. But after all that effort, reality hits. Views and clients don't come, and the money never shows up. Most newcomers give up at that point, thinking AI art is just hype for beginners. Honestly, I've been there too. This is my second serious attempt to catch the wave of visual AI. Let's get straight to it. If you expect AI art to make you money overnight, you're in for disappointment. Here's why most creators don't succeed. They chase trends instead of building a real style. They generate random images without audience research or any strategy. They skip storytelling, polish, and don't build a real presence. Want real results? Find your niche and your unique voice. Don't blend in. Build a portfolio that proves your skills, not just your tech tools. Release content in batches, analyze your stats, and ditch the lottery ticket mindset. Creating a flood of content isn't enough. Profit comes when you use AI as a launching pad. Then lift every project up with your design experience. Let AI handle the grunt work, but your story, taste, and decisions make all the difference. Here's your quick checklist. Use neural networks for brainstorming and fast drafts. Elevate every project with your own style and storytelling. Analyze your results, work in series, and experiment fearlessly. AI can speed things up, but your expertise, that's what makes it valuable. And that's what actually earns you money. Tell me in the comments, have you ever bought a subscription, spent the nights hustling, only to feel it's not working out? Share your story. I'll reply personally with advice to get you unstuck. And I'm not just saying goodbye at the end. Stick around, because next episode I'll show you how to turn Midjourney into your actual creative partner, not just another forgotten tool. This isn't a one-off tip. It's a real journey, and I'd love for you to be part of it. Hit subscribe and let's break through together.